Hello, in this video we are going to prove a trigonometrical identity, and our question is prove tan theta plus cos theta over sin theta is equivalent to 1 over sin theta cos theta. So in this case you can look at the right hand side and see that we don't have a tan, so we have to manipulate this to get rid of this tan, and we shall end up getting our right hand side. So let's first change the tan. We know that tan theta is the same as sin theta over cos theta. So we are going to replace the tan with this. That is, for our question, that will be sin theta over cos theta, that is for the tan, then plus cos theta over sin theta. Then we're going to make a single fraction. A single fraction, it is by getting the LCM of what we have. So LCM of cos theta and sin theta is cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. Then mark Q, we are doing something like this. So we are going to multiply sin times sin, which gives us sin squared theta, and then plus cos times cos, which gives us cos squared theta. Then we know the trigonometrical identity that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equivalent to 1. So our numerator becomes 1. And if the numerator is 1, we shall be left with 1 over sin theta. You can rearrange this, cos theta. And this is what we are told to prove. We are told to prove that this one is equal to 1 over sin theta cos theta. And that is our answer. Thank you.